Three suspected Russian spies have been arrested and charged in the United Kingdom after a major national security investigation, British media reported on Tuesday. According to the reports, all three defendants have been in detention since February. All three alleged spies are said to have been working for the Russian security services and were identified as Bulgarian nationals. They were reportedly arrested earlier this year under the Officials Secrets Act by counter-terrorism detectives from the Metropolitan Police, which deals with espionage cases in the UK. They had passports, identity cards, and other documents for the UK, Bulgaria, France, Italy, Spain, Croatia, Slovenia, Greece, and the Czech Republic. The death toll after an explosion near the Dominican Republic's capital in a market area has risen to at least 12, including a 4-month-old baby. This comes after the initial death toll reported by the country's National Health Service was 3. The explosion occurred on Monday at a business in San Cristobal, west of the country's capital, Santo Domingo. So far, at least 12 people have been killed and another 65 people have been injured, according to reports. According to the country's emergency services, the explosion occurred at a bakery and prompted evacuations from nearby areas after black smoke rose from the city's center and quickly spread across several blocks. More than 800 flights were cancelled and tens of thousands of homes lost power as a slow-moving typhoon made landfall in western Japan early on Tuesday, prompting authorities to issue flood and landslide warnings. Approaching from the Pacific Ocean, Typhoon Land hit the southern tip of Wakayama Prefecture, 400 kilometers southwest of Tokyo. Land, which has since been downgraded to a severe tropical storm, lashed wide swaths of central and western Japan with heavy rains and powerful winds. The typhoon had sustained winds of 150 km per hour and was moving northwest across the western part of the main island of Honshu at around 15 km per hour. Television footage showed rivers gushing and on the verge of bursting their banks. Homes and stores suffered water damage to their floors, and in Nara city, strong winds had felled scaffolding at a construction site. Power outages hit almost 90,000 households in central and western Japan, according to regional utilities. Russian airstrikes hit two western regions of Ukraine bordering NATO member Poland and other areas on Tuesday, killing 3 people and wounding more than a dozen. Russia launched a large-scale air attack on Ukraine's western region of Lviv and the northwestern region of Volyn, hitting buildings, wounding civilians, and forcing evacuations. According to the local media, the attacks were the largest air assault on the Lviv region since the Russian invasion in February 2022. 4 people required medical assistance and more than 100 residential apartments were damaged in the attack, including a kindergarten that was destroyed by falling debris from a destroyed Russian missile. Lviv Mayor Andrei Sadovyi informed on the Telegram messaging app. At least 2 people were also injured in a Russian air attack on the city of Lutsk in Ukraine's Volyn region.